So a lot of people actually cut them off, and what they're for, that's to stop fluid injection. So if you were to accidentally hit yourself like that, you've got less chance of getting fluid injection, whereas if you cut them off, you're much closer to the tip and you could actually get fluid injection very quickly, and that's something you don't want. This is a great example of having to back roll. Good condition, this wall here, but as you can see there, whoever's painted before, it's never really been done. It's that porous stuff. I'm just using a low pressure tip because I have got hoods and that to spray. But as you can see here, no matter what I do, putting it on quite thick, no matter what I do, it's still not going to cover. It's not going to cover at all, no matter what I do. This is pure paint. This is external gloss acrylic. We really want it thick, we want it nice. The eaves are finished. All the eaves are finished up there. Now this is actually in fairly good condition, this tin. It's all been high pressure cleaned. You can imagine what it looked like before. This is actually not in my job at all. These aren't in it to paint. I'm doing these for free. So but even if you do something for free, you must do it properly. Don't think that because you're doing it for free that you can do a dodgy job. It's not worth it. It's not how it should work. You see a few drops like that? That's coming off here. So a lot of people actually cut them off, and what they're for, that's to stop fluid injection. So if you were to accidentally hit yourself like that, you've got less chance of getting fluid injection, whereas if you cut them off, you're much closer to the tip and you could actually get fluid injection very quickly, and that's something you don't want. Trust me, you will lose your arm or leg, whatever gets hit. Finger. So what I'll be doing to fix this problem with these walls is I'll be spraying a nice good coat over it, and then I'll be getting my roller, which is over here. I'll be using this roller here to roll that, just to push that in. I could do it now, but then this is going to take a while to dry, so I'd rather do it on the last coat. I should be doing it on the first coat, but it is in quite good condition. So see, no matter what you do, you can't get your paint in. No matter how thick you put it on. So anybody that says you don't have to roll, back roll, come on people. I'll show you what happens when I back roll, because I'm going to be doing it soon anyhow. Once I put this on, I know you're saying use the bigger tip, but once again, this is like weatherboard, like tamper board. I want to get as much paint in there as I can, and by having a smaller tip, I'm able to force it into that groove. I'm not worried about those paint splots that are coming out. Okay, so basically we've done that. I'm going to put another coat on that hood yet, so I'll leave that dry, but I'm going to put another coat over this. So we're going to change our tip to something with a little bit more balls. That little one is only a little 310. What we want is a 213. Which is this one here. You'll see the amount of paint that comes off this one. Big difference. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use the roller and the gun. So we're going to spray and back roll. We don't even have to spray everything. Lots more paint now, see? You're probably thinking, why am I using such a small tip? Well, this tip's 12 months old or more. The 213 HEA tip has been an amazing tip. I even do roofs with this tip. So I only just finished the roof the other day with this tip. Let's load that roller up a bit. This is how we're going to fix the problem. And obviously we're behind the water tank. Okay, and that will fix the problem that we encounter over there. As you can see there, this is why you spray and back roll. Need to know how to spray even with this. What's that disappear? See this? See how it disappears? Fills with paint. because of the roller. It's the same principle with gyprock or anything really. Repaints, first coat or second coat in this instance. Less overspray. I don't have to worry about making a perfect finish. Therefore I'm going to be working faster. I feel good about it. I'm going to use less paint. Customer's going to be super happy. Remember, I just rolled that, I just sprayed that minutes ago up there. So what we're going to do, we're going to spray and back roll that section down there. That's your spray and roll, that's just your spray.
Bitch, I'm going too fast, I might crash in the road. We got big Louis bags and your chick do the most. Yeah, she had a last laugh when she left me alone. With your bitch I played pass, had to smash on your hoe. I don't even feel bad, got the devil on my shoulder. I can't wait for the day to send checks to my bros. It's a beautiful day, when hit the J inside of my lungs. I just put up extra icy, I got on my AF. We smoke all type of gas, I might even hit the blunt. If I get that bitch my lunch, she better not take it and run. You a bitch, I'm your dad, I might even call you son. Got the click, rack some cash, we love smoking weed for fun, yeah. I love being on my rockstar shit. Bitch, we party every day and we always stay lit. Take her on a cheap date at the Motel 6. She an Instagram addict, always wanna take pics. I ain't tryna be teased, come and ride my dick. 80 proof liquor and my body feels sick. I know it's over, I know it's over. That's why I'm never sober, I'm fucked up. And I know it's all my fault, living fast life, bitch, you can't keep up. No, they wanna see me fall, tell them suck my nuts. I don't even feel bad, got the devil on my shoulder. I can't wait for the day to send checks to my bros. It's a beautiful day, when hit the J inside of my lungs. I just put up extra icy, I got on my AF. We smoke all type of gas, I might even hit the blunt. If I get that bitch my lunch, she better not take it and run. You a bitch, I'm your dad, I might even call you son. Got the click, rack some cash, we love smoking weed for fun. That's a motto, smoking on gelato. All this good ass cookie in my lungs feel like the lotto. Paso bit feel like the Super Bowl, I shot for 5-0. Y'all cannot compete with me even when got my eyes closed. She ain't even gotta say it cause I got the message. What the fuck is up with my ex bitch fucking her exes? I still love her all lie, nobody to impress shit. Met a new girl, fucked her over, that's a good impression. Only thing that's stopping me loving her is depression, yeah. I might go and crash my whip, okay. Happy off of ladies drugs, tryna find my way. Always cloud my judgment with mistake. I don't even feel bad, got the devil on my shoulder. I can't wait for the day to send checks to my bros. It's a beautiful day, when hit the J inside of my lungs. I just put up extra icy, I got on my AF. We smoke all type of gas, I might even hit the blunt. If I get that bitch my lunch, she better not take it and run.